Hey, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and in this video we're going to cover how to start affiliate marketing step by step in 2020. So let's dive into this topic, and let me just give you an overview of what we are going to cover. First of all, we're going to talk about the right category that you gotta choose. Then it is about the product itself that you are going to promote, and then we're going to cover the strategy. So there are 3 steps. Let's dive into this, and let's start with the first one, which is the category that you are going to choose. Now, first of all, you got to understand that the category you are going to choose, or it's so-called a niche in marketing terms, you got to choose something that you are either passionate about or you know quite a lot about already. Because understand that the more passionate or the more knowledge you have about this topic, the more natural you're going to be, the more natural it will be for you to promote, and that is really the key in promoting and in marketing itself. So look for something that you like, that is really close to your heart, and don't worry too much about if it is something that is not very popular or you are not sure about the popularity of that category, if there is any demand for such products. Believe me, there are so many categories on affiliate marketing, and so many products itself in all of these categories, that there is demand in all of them, and you can be successful in any category, like literally any category. So just choose something that is very close to you and you are passionate about. And listen, if you are unsure about this and you just want to know some categories that are popular, or that are very, very good ones, then I can give you the 3 most popular categories that are over there, which is, first of all, it's the health and fitness category. Then there is the wealth category, make money or e-business and so on. And then there is the love or partnership relationship category, because these 3 things are basically what we all want to have. We want to be healthy, we want to be wealthy, and we want to have the love of our life, right? And so if we would all have these 3 things, then the world would be just a better place. We would be all happy and smiling and so on, but that's just a topic for another video. So again, just reviewing this step, choose something that is very close to, that you are passionate about, or you know something, or you know quite a lot about that topic. Perfect. That brings us to our second step, which is the product itself. Now, the product itself needs to be something that is, a good valued product, good valuable product to the customer itself. You gotta have something that brings what it promises. So basically, delivers on their promise. What they are offering, they're also delivering it, and it needs to be a high value to the customer itself, because otherwise, if you just choose a crappy product, then a whole bunch of negative things will happen, like refunds, and the whole authority of yourself as a promoter will just go down. And you don't want to get into the crappy category of promoters, because they're just not going well for you, and you won't make it with this kind of products. And the second thing which you need to look for in products is something called a value ladder. Now, what exactly is a value ladder, you might ask? Let me just explain to you. Now, affiliate marketing works in a form of, basically, there is a product which is like a starting or a gateway product, and it costs something between, let's say, $10 to $50, right? That is like the gateway product. That is the starting product that your customer is going to receive, the customer is going to buy. Now, once they buy this kind of product, they are going to be offered higher priced products, which are basically like an upgrade to the already purchased product. And all these products are basically offered by the product owners, right? It's nothing, you don't have to do anything with this. It is offered by the product's owner, and these kind of upgrades, they cost around from, let's say, from 100 to even 500 or even 1,000. There is just no limit to that, right? And now, what you want to do with this is you want to look for, first of all, a product that do offer these kind of upsells, these kind of upgrades to the customer. But more importantly, what you want to check is whether this product is also offering commission for you if your customer buys any of these upgrades, right? This is very key, guys, because otherwise, if you are just selling the $20 product, you will need a very high amount of sales each and every month to make a sustainable income, right? However, if you find a product that is also offering these upgrades and commission from these upgrades, then you can earn from one sale not $20, but maybe $150 maximum, or 200, whatever it is, right? The commission. So this basically raises the value of your customer. I hope this makes sense for you, and I hope you understand. So first of all, for the product, first of all, it needs to be a good, valuable product for the customer, and then it's important to have the value ladder, which means, you know, upgrades for that customer, and you get commission from these upgrades, which enables you to basically earn more and more and more and more. Perfect. So that all brings us to our third point, which is the strategy that you implement. Now, guys, this is probably, you all probably know, this is the most important thing. And, you know, it's very, very simple. You gotta have the right strategy, which you obviously guessed it, because, you know, if you can have the good category, you can have the good product, but if your strategy sucks, unfortunately, you're not going to succeed, right? So the strategy that we are talking about is basically called giving value to the customer before you ask them to buy anything, right? Think about this. Giving value to the customer before they buy anything. Now, let me give you the reason behind this. A customer journey is basically they see your offer on the internet or wherever you are offering it, right? And they click on your offer because they want to receive what you are offering, right? You are probably offering them how to make money online, or whatever you're offering, right? How to cook, how to do gardening, whatever it is. So they are looking for this information. People are not really looking to buy anything on these offers. They are more looking for the information. So if your offer is basically straight to a sales page, and the customer needs to buy something in order to get that information you offered, then their guards go up and they just won't buy. But if you can deliver on that promise that you are going to give them an information how to cook or whatever it is, right? Whatever you're promoting, then something magical happens between you and the customer. Because what you delivered on your promise that you are going to show them how to make money. They click on it and they receive it without paying anything, right? This is magic, guys. And now what happens with this strategy is that, you know, you give the value first, and after you give the value, you ask them to buy something. You ask them to buy your product, right? Now, obviously, unfortunately, it's not gonna happen all the time that everyone is going to buy after first value, right? First offer. That's just how it is. The customers, each of us, you know, we have different time zones, right? And we need more time in order to, you know, to buy something. But what you want to do with this strategy is implement it and just, you know, be consistent with this, which means you gotta build a relationship between you and your customer. By this I mean, you know, you gotta keep in touch with them, right? Even though they haven't bought yet anything from you, you keep in touch with them and you still provide value for them. And again, the strategy is the same. Give the value and then ask them to buy something that you offer. And keep doing it with your autoresponders, obviously, right? And which is automatic. You don't need to, you know, type it manually and send it. It's automatic. And you know, what happens is that you build that relationship and you move from a total stranger that you were in the beginnings to somebody they like, know and trust, and they see you as somebody who is, an authority on the internet. And that relationship changes everything. You are going to be, the customer is going to see you as somebody, oh, okay, this guy, I always liked his content. He always gave me so much value. I learned so much from him. I'm going to check his product. I'm going to buy from him. I want to work with this guy more, right? And this is how you sell affiliate marketing, how you do affiliate marketing in 2020, guys. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get lots of value from it. And listen, if you are the person who wants to start affiliate marketing right now, you want to get more and more information from it, then I highly encourage you to click the link in the description below this video. You will get access to my 4-day free video series where I talk about this strategy that we just spoke about even in more detail, and you are going to know how to really implement it in your particular business. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got lots of value from it, and I will see you soon in another videos. Bye, guys.